माननीय सदस्य मयंक स्वामी।
Thank you, Speaker Sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak here. Respected Speaker and honorable members of this Assembly, Namaste. Today, I stand here for a voice of millions of teenagers whose dreams are bright but whose minds are burdened, whose potential is limitless but whose path is unclear. Today, I, Mayank Swami, stand here with a burning truth, a truth that every teenager in this nation feels but rarely speaks. India is a country of 25 crore teenagers, the largest youth population on earth. But the truth is harsh, our dreams are big, yet our guidance is small. Honorable members, today's teenager studies more, sleeps less, compares more, feels less, scrolls more, speaks less. Look at our own state, Rajasthan. Look at Kota. It is known as Kashi of education, but for many students, it has become as a place of grief. Why? Because we have normalized pressure. We are telling our teenagers that their worth is measured only by 3 digits on a mark sheet or a rank in NEET or JEE. This is not education. This is a gladiatorial arena. A recent UNICEF survey found out that 14% of Indian youths feel depressed most days. And last year, 13,892 students committed suicide. That's an average of 38 young lives lost every single day. Each one was a dream. Each one could have been saved. But why are these minds breaking? This brings us to the root cause, lack of career guidance. In India, there is a saying that a child is born and the neighbors ask, Beta, doctor banega, engineer. We are trapping our youth in a herd mentality. Every Indian teenager goes through the confusion of what will I become with no guidance. A national survey reveals that 90% of Indian students never receive professional career counseling. Millions choose careers out of pressure, not passion. Honorable members, mental health and career guidance are not luxuries. They are the necessities for a strong and self-reliant India. If we want a Viksit Bharat by 2047, we cannot build it on the backs of broken teenagers. So what is the solution? Imagine an India where every school has mental health counselors, every parent understands emotional needs, and every teenager receives career mentoring.
Conclude करें.
Respected Speaker, I would like to take a few more seconds. Youth is the foundation of a nation. Build them and the nation will be built. When the youth rises, Bharat rises. India's teenagers need the clarity to choose, the courage to dream, and the mental health to rise again. Swami Vivekananda once said, if the youth takes charge, it can change the destiny of a nation. So let's take charge, let's change our destiny, let's be the generation that turns silence into strength, pressure into purpose, and dreams into reality. Because when our minds are healthy and our paths are clear, the future of our nation shines brighter than ever. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.